Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is Mikit here and I'm back with new tutorial. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your blockchain account on your desktop. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser that you prefer on your desktop. And on the search URL, search for blockchain.com. Once you press enter on your keyboard, you will land on the official page of blockchain. From here, in order to log in, at the bottom right corner of your screen, you will see login option and sign up option. There, click on login. After that, you will get directed to the login page from here. After that, you will get directed to login page. In here, you have to enter your email or your wallet ID that you have used while creating the account. Once you enter your email, then click on continue. Now for your verification, you will get email. So head back to email on your device. So head back to Gmail on your desktop and then look for the email. Here you get an email from blockchain. Open up and then click on confirm device. Once you confirm your device is verified, now head back to blockchain again and in here type in your password. After that, click on login. Once it is loaded and after, you will get logged into your blockchain account. Here you can verify your account, but for now I will just close this. And this is how you can log into your blockchain account. I hope this tutorial helped. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.